So if you are using Kali Linux, then a new discovery has come for you. And tell you that Kali Linux has launched a new Kali Linux on its 3rd anniversary. And that is 2023.1, and you can call it Kali Linux Purple. Today I am going to tell you how, if you have a Spanish Kali Linux upgraded. I mean, if Kali Linux is installed, then how can you upgrade it to Kali Linux Purple? And some of its benefits, what special features are coming. All this will be discussed in this video. So friends, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel, like the video and share it. See you later. In Kali Linux Purple you get 100 plus defensive tools, which makes your work very easy. And you can do whatever you want to do easily. And in Kali Linux Purple you get to see new wallpapers, which makes it look very fantastic. So friends, the first benefit of Kali Linux is you get defensive security, which is very important. And I will tell you that few days ago I told you how you can install Kali Linux 2022.4 in your VM. So friends, today we will upgrade our Kali Linux in that environment. And I will show you how you can upgrade Kali Linux to Kali Linux Purple very easily. So let me take you to my computer screen and I will tell you step by step how you can upgrade. So friends, as you can see, I have come to my computer screen. And first of all we have to see which version of our product is this. So to check this version, we run our first command, which is sudo cat /etc/versus. And as soon as we write this and add it here, we are asking for password. Because we have used sudo here, we are asking for password of our upper user, i.e. parent user. So for this we provide password. And you can see here that the version is 2022.4. Now what we are going to do is we are going to upgrade from 2022.4 to the 1st of March 2022. Which is our Kali Linux Purple. So let's upgrade it. So friends, instead of writing sudo again and again, what we do first is we log in from root user. So to log in from root user, we do sudo root. So here you can see that it has been logged in from root user. Now after logging in from root user, what we do is we update our package list or package database first. So to update it we use this command sudo apt update and then hit enter. So you can see that it has started working. So friends, our package list has been updated. Now what we do is we upgrade our package SQL. So for this we use this command. Command is sudo apt dist upgrade. So what we do is we upgrade its distribution. So we hit enter. So here we have an error. dpkg was interrupted. You must manually run sudo d. So we run this command. I copy this command and paste it from the top. And run it. So see here, it has been done. Now we run the command from the top. So here you can see that it has been successfully started. And here it is saying that a file of 513 megabytes has been downloaded. So we hit yes. And friends, I will tell you that in this you will hardly be able to do all this in an hour. So I will not make a full 1 hour video. I will cut you, and where there is some user action, I will tell you what you have to do. So friends, if you want, you can increase the speed a little and watch the video if you are bored. So friends, if you can watch the video till here, I mean you must understand the video. And the video is helpful for you. That's why you are watching the video. So please go and like the video. And subscribe to the channel. So that in the same way I keep bringing more videos. And keep helping you. So friends, this is your package. Everything has been downloaded. And here it has started to install. So you can see here the progress is 0%. So as soon as it is 100%. So maybe after that it will install on your Kali Linux. After this there are 2 to 3 steps. It is necessary to do this. So you please don't skip the video. And keep watching till the end. So friends, as soon as our distribution update is done, after that we have to do restart your VirtualBox. To restart it we will run the command sudo reboot now. So let's run the command quickly. And run it. So what will happen? It will reboot. After rebooting it will be created. So let's see what happened. So friends, there are some more steps ahead. So please don't skip the video. Or don't cut it. Otherwise, whatever is the next essential steps, all of them will be missed. So it may also happen that your Kali Linux is not working properly, or any future problem may occur. So I want you to please watch the video till the end. So friends, my VM is rebooted. After rebooting we have to check our version. As you can see, the first step is that the version was showing 2022.4. Now we have to check the version again. That what is the version? So let's run the same command again. And run it and enter it. So here you can see that the version has changed to 2023.1. Now we have to follow 3 to 4 more steps. So let me tell you. So friends, now we have to upgrade our source list. So I am directly pasting it here. I have copied it and I am hitting enter. So here you can see that something has come. So here it has been successfully done. So friends, as soon as the whole process is completed, then your Kali Linux is installed. And if you want to download the file, then simply you have to enter this command and hit enter here. Or you can enter the password and hit enter and see that it installs the file. So friends, now what we do is open the file and see. Click on change background and see here that the Kali Linux purple is installed or not. So here we go and see that it is updating. And as you can see here, that our Kali Linux purple is successfully installed. So friends, if I come, then it will definitely face some issues. So if you face any issue, then please comment. We will sit together and debug it. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye.